What's up, guys? This is Ty Zen here. I'm broadcasting out of the Long Island Railroad, and I'm heading towards from Long Island to Penn Station, and probably gonna go hang out, chill out at Times Square, get something to eat. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but anyway, guys, in this video I wanted to talk to you guys about what is a proxy token or a proxy coin. Now let's break this down real quick, guys. The word proxy simply means to, I think the legal definition of proxy means to give power or authority to someone else. So a proxy token or a proxy coin is a situation where you give your power or authority of a coin, of a cryptocurrency, over to something else. Okay, so let me give you an example, guys, so you guys know what it means. Okay? So usually what happens is when you have a popular ICO, or initial coin offering. If you don't know what initial coin offering or ICO is, make sure you check out one of my videos about what is an ICO or what is an initial coin offering, and I'll explain more about it. Okay? But what happens is after you buy into an ICO, or like the Ethereum ICO or the Augur ICO or the Lisk.io ICO. Okay, so what happens is after you get into the ICO, like for example with Lisk that just happened just a few weeks ago, there are a lot of people that are anxious to trade it already. And what happens is there is no, the Lisk has not even been distributed yet. The cryptocurrency has not been distributed yet. So what happens is there are people out there that want to trade it already, and there are people that are anxious to even unload the ICO coins that they have that have not even been distributed to the market yet. And so there are exchanges out there such as Gatecoin, right? And such as YoBit.net, that's yo as in yo-yo, bit as in Bitcoin, where they will create what's called a proxy token. And what that means is that they take they create a proxy token, or that they find people that have the actual real cryptocurrencies. So for example, I'll use myself and my buddy, my friend LeonFood.com as an example, right? Let's just say that we bought let's say that we each have 100 Lisk cryptocurrency coins, right? So that means that we have 200 of them, and there are people out there who miss the ICO, or who did not have the money to get in, or who did not know about it, right? And they want to buy and sell it, or they want to buy it earlier before it even comes on the market. So what they do is Gatecoin, or in this case YoBit.net, what they'll do is they will create these proxy tokens, and what we'll do is they'll ask us to send them the private keys and the passphrases or passwords for the Lisk that we own, the 100 Lisk that we own. And what happens is when we send it to them, they are going to take it. They're going to take the real Lisk that we have, which have not been, we just have the passphrase to it. It has not been distributed to us yet, right? And they'll take it and they'll hold on to that passphrase. So now they have control of the Lisk that I own. And what they'll do is they'll take that, and as they hold it, they're going to create a proxy token that represents the Lisk that I own. And what they'll do is they will put it out in the market, and if you want to buy it or if you want to sell it, then you can take that and you can buy and sell those proxy tokens that represent the real cryptocurrency, the real Lisk coins that I own. Okay, so now you may ask, well, Ty, why would you take your Lisk coins, the real ones, and let an exchange borrow it for it? Well, there's several reasons, right? One is that they can pay me a fee or an interest for me loaning them the list that I bought during the ICO, which is not available on the market yet, right? So let's say that you, the viewer who's listening to this, you decide to go to Yobit and you buy those list coins, those proxy coins, right? What happens is, whatever you buy and sell it for, when the day that it opens, the day that Max and Oliver and the list team make it available to the market and they distribute the list out, what happens is the exchange will take that real list and they will send it to you because you already paid for it. You bought the proxy tokens, right? Now, for me, they will turn around and give me the Bitcoins that they owe me, okay? Or plus the interest and whatever else that we agreed on, okay? And then, so everybody, it's a win-win for everyone. I get to sell my list before it comes on the market, and you get to buy the list that you missed out on, all right, at a lower price. It's going to be higher than what the ICO price is, but it's still lower than what the trading, when it opens for trading on the first day. Okay, so that's what it is. The other thing too is this, guys. The other thing too is that if you decide that you do that you want to trade it or whatever, you can do it. You can trade those list, the proxy list coins that's on yobit.net. Okay? Now, so you get to get it at a lower price than what it's going to be when it opens up for trading, and I get to sell my list coins earlier than before it even comes on the market, right? So, and then the exchange gets to keep, they're the middleman, so they keep all the transaction fees, okay? Now, the question that you may be asking yourself is, what are the risks involved? Obviously, there's got to be some kind of risk involved, right? And the risk that is involved is this, is that when I give the exchange my ICO tokens, my ICO coins from Lisk, I risk them running off with it, or I risk that they get hacked and I lose all my original ICO coins from Lisk. So that's the risk that's on my side. The other risk that I face is this, is that the other risk that's involved is that when you buy those proxy, Lisk coins from Yobit, before you receive them, they can get hacked and go out of business, and so you risk paying a higher price than the ICO price, and the exchange gets hacked and you lose all your coins and they never deliver it to you, or they receive it and they don't deliver it at all. Okay, now on the exchange side, the risk that they take is this, is the risk that they take is that they get the coins, and then everybody, because the Lisk, anytime there's money involved, there's going to be a bunch of hackers that try to hack it, okay? And the risk that I see that the exchange takes is that when they get hacked, they lose their credibility, okay? The other thing too is that
this is the train to Penn Station. The next station is Jamaica.
Okay, so the other risk that is involved with the exchange during this whole proxy coin business, right, is that there's very low liquidity, or there might not be enough business for them to make a profit off of the transaction costs and the middleman fees, and they get hacked, or it's just not worth their time because there's not enough people trading it. Right now, Lisk has not been on the market yet, so whenever people go to trade it I think it's already trading at $1.70 per Lisk. If that's the case, you got to keep in mind that the ICO price was only 7 cents. So if you can sell your ICO coins on yobit.net for $1.70, well then you just made a bunch of money, like I think like a 2,400% return or 24x or something like that. It's a big monstrous return, okay? So there's gonna be a lot of people that they're not greedy, they don't care if they can get 10x, 20x returns for their money, they're going to go ahead and do it. Okay, so that's the opportunity that's available. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you guys, in case you guys hear this, the same thing happened with Ethereum when it first came out in July of 2014. When it came out, they tried to create a proxy Ethereum coin that everybody started trading, and then that way it gave everyone an idea of how much the ethers were worth when they started trading. Okay, so that's just kind of like it would be the equivalent if you trade stocks or if you trade in the futures market. Trading the proxy coins would be the equivalent of trading like the pre-market or the post-market stocks, or trading the pre and post-market. That's the closest thing. Okay, so. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that this video helped explain to you guys what is a proxy token or a proxy coin in the world of cryptocurrency investing. And if you guys like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up. If you guys don't like it, give me a thumbs down. And like always, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you guys more information as I learn more about it and do research on it. All right, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.